Proper field machining requires the operator to have control over both the speeds and feeds of the cutting machine. This end prep lathe, the Millhog, offers that control. With a steady, firm feed, the operator pulls a heavy chip while the tool is set at only a quarter throttle. First, the uneven end, which will cause an uneven or interrupted cut, is cleaned up with a rhythmic feed.
All right, now you can add the speed and you can add a little more feed to it.
As the tool load gains consistency, we can increase the feed as needed.
You used to be able to feed a little heavier. Yeah, I was trying to. I got that one soft spot there, yep.
Okay.
Right there, it's going to see it.
I see it, yep, I see it.
For this 304 stainless steel 10-inch Schedule 40 pipe, the operator has the control to pull a thick, heavy chip without cutting fluids. By using the patented technology on the Millhog, the operator gets to feel the tool load. The Millhog feed handle provides a feel of the precision machining process, much like the feedback a machinist gets from a drill press. Optimum surface speeds on stainless steel can be as low as 20 to 30 feet per minute. This will produce a clean cut without cutting fluids or significant blade wear. Once we have a full, uninterrupted cut, the fun begins. A little time lapse, and the prep is nearly complete. The task is complete, a consistent, clean weld prep with a machined feather edge. The center mandrel ensures a square end that is ready for fit up and welding. Optional tooling is available. Counterbores, land blades, and precision ground angles can be added to the tool block for performing complex weld preps in a single operation. Please contact us with your application. It is your reference that becomes our reputation. If we've earned it, please share it. Thank you.